So we're here at the Digital Medicine Smart Healthcare Research Center, and I'm talking to Albert Young. You're a psychiatrist. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do with AI research here at this research center?
Hello, so my name is Albert. I'm a psychiatrist and also a neuroscientist. What we did here in this center, we have many collaboration with our physicians and also faculties from computer science. We do lots of AI. But for my research, we use a very significant amount of neuroimaging data, and we utilize this data with AI to develop an algorithm and also a platform. We can use that platform to assess the patients and visualize the brain pathologies in these patients. And we also use that information to develop a new technology to deliver the brain stimulation non-invasively into a deeper brain. So that's we are hoping that this will change the psychiatry, and we have a more precise.
For which kind of diseases is that working?
For the schizophrenia, bipolar disorders, and major depression.
Okay.
Yeah, we hope to deliver the precision treatment to these patients, not just taking drugs.
And this is just one of the. Can you come up with some other examples?
The other examples, we want to deliver point-of-care technologies, not only in the hospital, but also in the remote settings, such as at home.
Mm-hmm.
So we have several apps that is already available in Apple stores. We can use that apps that patients or families can assess their, for example, the mental functions, cognitive abilities, or even the infection risks and other things at home. Then they can use that information to present it to the physicians, and you know it is a remote telehealth care. Yeah.
And you also have a remote care that an X-ray is somewhere.
Yeah, that's right. We have other AI platforms that can use in remote areas. The nursing staffs and doctors not in radiologies, they can use that platform to diagnose, for example, tuberculosis in the remote areas.
Mm-hmm. And AI will just help them to make a diagnosis without the use of
without the supervision from the radiologist.
Yeah. And you also do sleep research, right?
Yes.
So, and what does that? What does that do?
Yeah. So for sleep, I think every country is the same. We have sleep centers in the hospital, but it's very crowded, and the patient needs to wait a longer time to receive the test.
Mm-hmm.
We develop an AI algorithm that is just using single devices at home that can deliver the same accuracy of diagnosis comparable to the hospital.
Mm-hmm. So, and also a lot is happening in the AI, so you don't need a lot of doctors to help with the diagnosis. It helps to accelerate that.
Yeah, we can reduce the staffs in the hospital, because in the laboratory in the hospital we need staff to stay overnight to do the sleep examination. But with that AI and small devices, we can use that at home and still have the same accuracy with the hospital-grade examination.
And this center works with computer science, electro, and also medical. You also work for a hospital which is next door here, huh?
Yeah, I also work in our major teaching hospital. It's called Taipei Veterans General Hospital. Mm-hmm. It also lists of one of the top 250 hospital in the world this year.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and also do you do applications with AI in that hospital?
Yeah,
you work together intensely?
Every solutions I mentioned, we are working in this hospital and provide the service to our patients.
Yeah, and when we come visit, you could basically give us an overview of what happens in the hospital, in the AI research, and we would do that in your campus?
We can do the presentation in our campus, which is mainly for the engineering medicine. Mm-hmm. Then I can also make a presentation for how we use this AI in our hospital.
Yeah, wonderful. So you would be willing to receive us in October the 12th. What would you like to get out of this? Why do you do this? What would you like to accomplish?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think one thing, we pursue international collaboration, because everybody knows that AI can be unreliable if you move from one place to the others. So it's very important that we do international collaboration to for the technology can generalizable to the other place.
Yeah.
The second thing, if we do have a good solution that can provide to our patient, we will seek for example, potential for commercialization in other countries. That would be great.
Yeah, because you have things in the Apple Store. We could use that. You have your research for psychiatry.
Right. Yeah.
You like to work together to have the research in other countries.
To provide service to more patients. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. See you in October.
Yeah, thank you.